service here. We are at Julington Creek Marina. I'm going to jump in and take a look at this crisp graph. We cleaned her a month ago, and the video, bottom lift to excellent in the video. The customer just said something about make sure you get the barnacles off the side. I'm not cleaning it today, and I do see the barnacles on the side, but I'm going to show you that they're also all over the areas that we cleaned last time too. I expect to see that amount of barnacles on the side every time we clean her every month. Doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. So let's take a look. Now in the video, you can see the back of the boat very well, and you can see the trim tabs were extremely clean when we got finished. Take a look at this. This right here was not here when we got done cleaning. It will not be here when we get done cleaning this next time, but it will be here in 30 days. Let's look at the trim tab. I will have another video to compare for you as well. I know you'll be able to see in the original video that these were cleaned. Also, this growth here, this is not 2-month-old growth. This is 1-month-old growth. Let's check out the back transom of the boat, because that looked very clean. Even though we didn't see it at the water line, we saw it underneath the water. Let's take a look. I know in the after video, you can see that the whole boat is underwater this color. 30 days from now, it will look like this. We will get that cleaned off, but when you see that after 30 days, I'm getting a lot of customers, oh, make sure you clean the water line this time. Your whole boat looks like that. The whole boat looked like that last time when we cleaned it. The whole boat will not look like that when we finish this time. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.